The 12-in-1 push-up board is a versatile and innovative tool designed to elevate your upper body workouts. This multifunctional board features a color-coded system that targets different muscle groups, allowing you to strengthen your chest, shoulders, triceps, and back through varied push-up positions. By simply adjusting the handle placement to match the designated colors, you can engage specific muscles more effectively, making your workouts both efficient and dynamic. Ideal for fitness enthusiasts of all levels, this push-up board helps you burn calories and build strength in a convenient and structured way. Whether you're aiming to tone your muscles or enhance your overall fitness, this system supports a wide range of exercises that cater to your goals. Crafted from durable ABS plastic, the push-up board is built to last, providing stability and safety during your workouts. The non-slip handles ensure a firm grip, reducing the risk of injury and allowing you to focus on your form. Weighing just 1.3 kilograms and measuring 64 centimeters in length, 18 centimeters in width, and 2 centimeters in height, the board is foldable and portable, making it easy to take your workout routine on the go, whether at home, in the gym, or outdoors. Enhance your strength training and maximize your results with the 12-in-1 push-up board, a compact and effective solution for a powerful upper body workout.